have you seen in the last clip, I was looking at some kitty cats. And yes, we are adopting cats. I'm so excited. We're supposed to get them this week too. A brother and a sister, so cute. Yeah, I'm really excited. So we're just getting things together, getting the apartment together to welcome them, and where they're gonna be, their food and stuff like that. So we've been super busy doing that, and plus I'm in school. I have a lot of also some cool art opportunities that are happening outside of school, so I feel pretty busy. I think I am busy, you know. But yeah, things are going well, and you'll get to see the kitties. I'll make sure I insert some footage. So yeah, I'm pretty hungry right now, so I think I'm just gonna go get something to eat. I already had 2 classes today. I'm super exhausted. And I also have this gnarly, like, zit on my nose. It's really intense. But yeah, yay for kitties.
It's too late to get the money back for the course. And
should be on us. 3 of us know that. You're taking the kid. Us. You walk him in. He pulls the trigger. Anything goes wrong.
Hey guys, so I finished this chrysanthemum. I think it came out really good. I was originally gonna carve out all of this space, but I thought it would be easier if I just carved out the lines, so I'm super excited to print this. I don't think I'm gonna print it yet. I still have some more stuff to do, but that might be in the next vlog. But yeah, I'm super stoked. Let me know if you guys would want prints of this. I think it could be really cool. And I could like put it up in my Etsy shop or something. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. I think that could be really cool. Hey guys, so this is my new little setup. I've been organizing my room, my studio all day and yesterday, so I have a lot more work to do, but this is just the first little corner. I'm gonna hang up some lights over there, and I already have some lights right here, but I thought this would be a cute like background of a print I made and a drawing. And this is my little plant and one of my old palettes. So yeah, this is a cute little owl plate. So this is all super dirty still. I have a lot more work to do, but I feel like it's really coming together. So I'll make sure I'll show you guys. Also, I want to get some curtains. I think that could be really cute and homey. So yeah. Hey everyone, so it's not that early anymore, it's like 9, but I am kind of tired today. I have some things to get to. I still have a paper to write, so that's happening. But yeah, I'm really excited for my room, for my studio, just getting all of that taken care of, and I'm definitely gonna do like a studio tour for you guys if you'd be interested in that. I think that could be really cool. Kind of going for like a dark academia feel, like boho academia, I don't know, all of those cool things. So I definitely want to get some curtains. I saw some on Urban Outfitters that I really like, and some curtain tie backs, so I think that could be cute. So yeah, and also a tapestry to go back there. Like a tarot card tapestry would be really cool. So I'm just gonna be working on that. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I have a couple of classes to do. And yeah, I'll probably go up to the mailbox today if it doesn't rain. Oh, it looks kind of gross outside. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna get back to just doing some more work.